Hello and welcome to the Transforming Ideas to Innovation video series. This is our fourth video in the Arduino video series. Today we'll do a very simple circuit. We will see how to connect a servo motor. So in here we have a servo motor that came in the kit that you probably bought. The servo motor is a type of motor that most of you will be using in your projects. If you look inside here, you can see there is a gearbox inside the servo motor, and if you actually turn it, you will see those gears move. Now the servo motor provides high torque. It's slow in speed, but it's very precise, so you can turn it to whatever angle that you want. We will use a program that is already in the examples in the Arduino IDE. And simply we're going to connect the circuit to show how to wire up the servo motor. It's very simple. It has 3 pins or 3 wires connected to it. Red, black, or in this case brown, and orange. The red, as you probably would guess, is power. Brown in this case is our ground, and orange is our control. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about this orange wire, or the control to the servo motor from our Arduino. Servo motor it's an analog device. I mean, it moves. It's not just on and off. It moves to whatever angle you want. So our Arduino, however, from what you remember, we said it has more or less like digital pins and analog inputs. The digital are both input and output, and the analog are only input. So if I want to output analog, how do we do it? So to output analog, we will use the digital pins that are labeled, if you see them here, PWM. So the PWM, which has like a tilde sign next to it, which are pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. Those pins can be used to provide an analog-like output. So when connecting the orange pin or the orange wire in my servo, I will be using one of these 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 pins. In my example here, I'll use pin number 9. So let's get to it. Simply connect. We'll connect the wires. So I'll take a red wire from the servo. I'm not going to be using the breadboard. There's no point. We'll just connect the red to the center and then go to 5 volts, and then connect black to the negative part or the ground and connect it to ground. And finally the orange, I'll use a yellow, different color in here, and I'll connect it to digital pin number 9, which is a PWM pin. Okay, that's it. Our connection is done. It's mainly 3 wires, and the next thing we need to do is just simply power up the Arduino, and we're done. The Arduino has already been programmed with the sweep program. The sweep program is available on the Arduino IDE examples, as I said earlier. Simply go to File, Examples, Servo, and then check or choose Sweep. As you see on the screen, the program simply tells the servo to move 180 degrees in one direction and then come back 180 degrees in the other direction. Let's see what we have.